Natasha when she sleeps. She likes to snore a little bit. The cutest little snore you'll ever hear. That is the cutest little girl you've ever seen. Crazy.